Good afternoon, students. Now I am going to solve exercise 2.5 example. Exercise 2.5 example. That one, that is the seventh question. That is, Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to C. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who travelled more and by how much? That we are going to find. So, whatever the given question, no, we are introducing in the form of diagram first. So, from A to B, B to C, C to D and A to D, I have drawn not a linear, it is a rectangle shape it is. From A to B, this is 7.5 kilometer. A to B is 7.5 kilometer and B to C is 12.7 kilometer. First we have to write from where to where how much kilometer we have. So from A to B is 7.5 kilometer and from B to C is 12.7 kilometer and D is 9.3 kilometer from A, means A to D is 9.3 kilometer, 9.3 kilometer and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. C is 11.8 kilometer from D. See here, Dinesh and Ayub are traveling from A to C. Dinesh are traveling from A to C and Ayub went going from A to C in a different way. They are going in a different way. But from A to B, B to C, A to D and D to C, they have different distance also have different. Means who traveled more and how by how much, that we are going to finding now. See, Dinesh went from place A to B and from there to place C. See, first Dinesh what he did, from he is starting from A point, then he is going to up to B point and another from B he is going to point C, means he is traveled from A to C. We know the value of A to B and B to C, how much kilometers, means Dinesh's total distance traveled will be A to B plus B to C. See, in the statement what we have given, Dinesh went from place A to place B, means A to B place, means A B have written, and from there to C, from again B to C he has travelled, and the distance they have given, A to B is 7.5 kilometer and B to C is 12.7 kilometer, means we have to find the total distance of Dinesh, means AB plus BC we are going to find. From A to B is 7.5 kilometer plus from B to C is 12.7 kilometer. Now we have to add these two numbers, that is 7.5 and 12.7, that is 20.02 kilometer, that is 20.2 kilometer, that is the total distance travelled by the Dinesh. And now we will find the Ayub's total distance. What he did, he traveled A to D first. Reverse he traveled. Means he is traveled from A to D and then to D to C. From A to D, then D to C. We know from A to D distance and D to C distance. That is Ayub total distance. Ayub's total distance is from A to D he first traveled, means AD, plus again from point D to C means DC. From A to D we have the distance that is 9.3 kilometer. 9.3 kilometer plus from D to C is 11.8 kilometer. 11.8 kilometer, we are adding these two, that is 9.3 and 11.8. 9.3 and 11.8, that is 21.1. 21.1 kilometer Ayub traveled. See, Dinesh traveled 20.2 kilometer and Ayub's traveled total distance is 21.1 kilometer. So, what we conclude that Ayub is traveled more, and by how much? By how much means we have to subtract Ayub's total distance to the Dinesh total distance. Then by how much answer we will get? That is 21.1 minus 20.2. Means 0.9 kilometer is the difference between them. Means Ayub traveled more from compared to Dinesh, and how much means 0.9 kilometer is the answer. Like this we will solve these examples. Once again I will explain this. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. Who traveled more and by how much we are going to find out. I am going to draw, I am simplifying this statement by using the diagram. I have drawn one rectangle A, B, C, D. From A to B and B to C, C to D and D to A we have the measurements. They have given A to B is 7.5 and B to C is 12.7. C to D is 11.8 kilometer and A to D is 9.3 kilometer. We have to understand the statement first now. Dinesh went from place A to place B, means he has traveled from A to B plus first and then from B to C. How much distance he traveled, that we are going to find first now. That is AB plus BC, that is 7.5 kilometer plus 12.7 is 20.2 kilometer. That is the total distance traveled by the Dinesh. And again Ayub's total distance we are going to finding now. See, Ayub went from place A to place D. He is traveling from A to D. He is going in the reverse direction, that is from A to D and then from D to C. We have the distance, total distance. We are going to finding the total distance, means we have A to D is 9.3 kilometer and from D to C means 11.8 kilometers. If we add both these two, then we will get the Ayub's total distance, that is AD plus DC is equal to 9.3 kilometer plus 11.8 kilometer is equal to 21.1 kilometer is the total Ayub's distance travel. So, in the question what they have asked, who traveled more? Means Ayub distance is 21.1 and Dinesh total distance is 20.2, means Ayub's total distance is more, and by how much means we have to subtract Ayub's total distance from the Dinesh total distance, that is 21.1 minus 20.2. We will get the answer as 0.9 kilometer. The difference between them is 0.9 kilometer. That much extra Ayub's traveled from Ayub's traveled more than Dinesh. Like this we will solve these examples. Again one more. How much less is 20 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? How much less 20 kilometer than 42.6? They have asked how much less is 20 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer. Means in 42.6 kilometer we subtract 28 kilometer, then we will get how much less is 28 from 42.6. Now subtract 42.6 by 28 kilometer, that is 14.6 kilometer is differ, means 28 kilometer less is 14.6 from 42.6. See, when you add 28 and 14.6 we will get 42.6, means 28 kilometer is less than the 42.6 is how much? 14.6. We will see some more examples in our next class. Thank you.